Traditional lighting systems demand constant attention. Frequent failures, costly labor, and full fixture replacements drive up expenses and generate avoidable waste year after year. Linmore LED re-engineered the troffer from the ground up to usher in a new era of LED lighting. The LifeTime series troffer and troffer door kit feature our patented ReLuma Module, the first plug-and-play light engine that renews any LifeTime series fixture in under a minute. No tools required. Install once, renew forever. Built on the lightweight ReLuma Module, the DLC Premium LifeTime series delivers up to 159 lumens per watt and comes standard with selectable color temperature and wattage. Compare the difference. A typical LED retrofit means removing the entire fixture, rewiring, and discarding metal and electronics. With Linmore's LifeTime series, the housing stays. The ReLuma Module swaps in under a minute. No tools, no waste, no downtime. Simply put, it's redefining LED lighting. With a projected L70 life of up to 170,000 hours and a renewable module design, the LifeTime series keeps fixtures out of landfills and budgets in check. Fewer service calls, less waste, greater efficiency, lighting that lasts a lifetime. ReLuma technology from Linmore LED, delivering the future of performance, sustainability, and peace of mind. The LifeTime series, install once, renew forever.